Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Word has insufficient memory or disk space, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, close Microsoft Word. Okay. Now, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command win word.exe space / save and hit enter. This will open Microsoft Word in the safe mode. Click on File, select Options, go to Add-ins, change this to COM add-ins if it's not already there. Click on Go, check all of the options available here, all the add-ins. Select Remove, close it, search for Word again, and then open and launch it. Now it will launch in the proper state. If this helps, well and good. If not, then just try to restart your computer once and then it should help. Now I'll tell you why. Because memory basically means RAM, random access memory. And when you restart your computer, it clears the memory cache. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.